Welcome to something new here at Charlottesville Sanitary Supply. We're going to call it Rainy Day Musing since we've had so many of them here this year. And we've been getting a lot of questions about some of the products we sell, and one of them is our product called Gone. And as you see here, our Gone display and what it is, really unique product. Cars, homes, rooms, basements, not crawl spaces, but basements, places that you want to spend time in, but it just has a funky smell. So, and the way it works is by using chlorine dioxide. Now you hear the word chlorine, so oh my gosh, that's got to be something scary and mean and all that. No, not at all. Totally harmless gas that we make that just permeates and kills odors at their sources, especially in cars, campers, motorhomes, those types of things. The Gone cartridge, or package, is how it's laid out, is a disposable treatment, one-time treatment for up to 300 square feet. So those of you that need Gone, let me kind of quickly go through and tell you how to use the product. It's very simple. The whole product comes in a clamshell, plastic clamshell, with a sponge, directions, and a sign. You see the sign? And the pouch that has the product in there. We wet the sponge, wring it out. The sponge has a little slot and right in the middle there. Well, what we do with that, tear open our package, pull out the cartridge, or what they call the brick, and it fits into the slot and the sponge. Slide it down in there. Then we take that, put it all back in the clamshell, close it up. We have 6 holes here on the top of the clamshell. Set it in the room, in the car, wherever we want to treat for the odor. Put it in there and we leave. It takes about 6 hours for this to work. There is something you need to know. It has to be done in the dark. If you don't do it in the dark, the ultraviolet light from the sun will break it down. But of course, today it's a rainy day yet again in Charlottesville, Virginia. It wouldn't be a problem today. But that's how Gone works. After 6 hours, you go in. If it's a room, like a hotel room or a small apartment, turn the air conditioning system on, or forced air heated system on. That will draw the product through the ductwork and kill any odor that's in the ductwork as well. Great product. Sells for $19.95. It has saved vehicles from going to the scrap heap because it smelled so bad. And thank you for tuning in to our very first inaugural Rainy Day segment from Charlottesville Sanitary Supply.